How to play games on Telegram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and in this video we will see how we can play games on Telegram. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch the Telegram application in your mobile device and make sure to log in with your Telegram account. Once you're logged in, now navigate to top right corner and tap on the search icon. And in the search bar, type in Gamebot and search for Gamebot. Then tap on Gamebot. After that, tap on Start. And there you will have an option as Play with Friends. So tap on it. Now from your contact, you have to select a friend that you would like to play game with. Now you have to choose the game that you would like to play. And after that, you will have this link. Once you tap on it, you will directly get to the game. So that's how you play games on Telegram, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in next video.